Let's do a review of SheerSEO right now. SheerSEO is a pretty good SEO software. It's an online SEO tool that automates things like rank tracking and link building. You can also do things like rank tracking to keep track of your rankings on Google, YouTube, and Bing. You can also do an on-page SEO analysis to get suggestions on how to optimize your pages. SheerSEO also has a built-in keyword explorer, so you can find the best keywords for your site. They also have a built-in SEO audit that will help you find and fix problems on your website. You can also do a backlink analysis for your own domain and for your competitors. So this will help you improve your domain authority and find new backlink opportunities. They also have link creation tools which includes blogs and web directories, and you can keep track of your backlinks so you know if you lose or gain any. So SheerSEO is available on appsumo for just $75, and this is a lifetime deal. So as you can see, this is a direct alternative to Semrush and Ahrefs. So you can see the plan over here. So for one-time payment of $75, so you get one domain. Then we have this 200 keywords, then 20 explorer reports per month. Then we have 2 site audits, and that's 2000 page crawl per month. So if you go for this $150, that's almost double. Okay, so the features remain the same, so everything in the features gets double. So you can go for the multiple plans as well. So let's go onto the home screen of SheerSEO. So this is the home screen. This is the main dashboard here. So here you can see these are all the dashboard here. So first we'll just go and check the ranking here. So these are the features for SheerSEO. So first we have this rank tracking, so where you can track for Google, YouTube, Bing. Then we have this competitors research. Then we can also do on-page SEO analysis. Then we have this keyword research. Then we have this SEO audit to identify issues on your website. Then also we have this backlink analysis, including link text, page rank, and number of backlinks, outbound links here. Then we have this link creation tools. So once you have logged into the account, so here you need to just fill your domain, select your location, and click on submit. So here you need to select the keywords so you want to track for. So here, as you can see, I'll add some of the keywords from here. So once all the keywords has been selected, you just have to click on submit here. Once I click on ranking, so click on current ranking, and here you'll be able to see all the keywords which has been added here. So here, as you can see, the rank is 71, and you can see the volume also of the keyword. And then we can just go for the history as well. So in history you'll be able to see your ranking for that particular keywords. Then we also have this snapshot according to the dates here, and we have this rank progress which will tell us about the increase or decrease in the SERP results. So next we have this competitors tab. So whenever you enter the competitors URL here, so here you'll be able to see their rankings for that particular keywords. So here, as you can see, this is the keywords, that's the volume. Then we have the CPC here. Then we have the keyword difficulty, that's the rank here, and this is the estimated clicks. So if you want to filter anything, you can just filter it from here. Suppose if you want keyword difficulty till 30 only, you just have to mention it here, click on enter, and here, as you can see, the maximum keyword difficulty will be 30. So you can just take these keywords as an inspiration and write your article accordingly. So next we have this organic research. So here you'll be able to see what are the competitors here according to the shared keywords here. So here, as you can see, percent of keywords shared. So here, as you can see, these are all the competitors which SheerSEO has given us according to the keywords which are shared. So next we have this keyword gap. So in keyword gap you can add up to 3 competitors, and this will give you a picture that the competitors articles are ranking and you don't have that particular article, so you can just create an article. So then we have this backlinks explorer, so you just have to enter the URL. So I'll just show you. So here, as you can see, there are around 2600 backlinks along with all the data like citation flow, trust flow, and what's the anchor text or link text, and whether it's follow or no follow. So accordingly you can reach out to these websites and ask for a backlink. So then we have this on page SEO where you can do your site audits here. So you can just check any on page issue with your website. So I'll just click on that. So here, as you can see, no description, unminified JS. So you can just check this, and you can also click on here on how to fix it. You can do that. You can solve your website's issue. Then also we have this page optimization. So then we have this keyword density here, and here you'll be able to access your data in the form of pie chart. So here, as you can see, this is single words, and it's mentioned like number of occurrences in pages. So this is written, then different keywords are there, then relative weight within the page. So here, as you can see, it's a proper pie diagram here. So next what we have is directory submission. So here you'll be able to create backlinks. So you can see here the prices are given here, then citation flow, trust flow, Alexa rank, it's given here. So all the websites are mentioned. Using this you can create backlinks. So then we have this link insertion here. So here you'll be able to add links in other websites. So here also you can check the pricings are already mentioned. Overall, this is one of the best affordable SEO tools on the market right now. Not only it is cheap, but it also has a lot of powerful and useful features. In the future, this will be my go-to SEO tool, and I couldn't recommend it more. To see everything SheerSEO has to offer and how it's going to help you rank higher and faster, just click the link below. But hurry, this deal is going away soon. So if you want me to do a review comparing this tool to some other tools, let me know in the comments below. And remember, you can find a link for SheerSEO in the description below this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos. I'll see you in the next video.